So if the ring burr holder on your Baratza Encore is broken, this is how you replace it. So here's the part number. Here's the old one, the new one. Let's see, let's align these. Let's align these two. You see this one's broken. This one's still there. And this one's broken. So let's remove the burr first. Put it in here. Do that. Get some pliers, I guess. Let's see. This tab is broken anyway, so I guess it's fine if you break it. Just do that. So once one is out, the other one should be like lift up already. Clean it as much as you can with a brush. Guess if you want to wash it, just go ahead and wash it, but I'm just gonna brush it. And slide it in. So you have these two here. Line those up with the flat end of the burr. Put it in there and just push it in. Should clip it. There you go. Ready to install it.